In today's dynamic workplace, empowerment is more than a buzzword. It's the foundation of a confident workforce. The first aid certification, empowering your workforce. Today, we're going to explore transformative power of first aid certification in empowering your workforce. Empowering your employees with first aid certification is not just about compliance, it's about instilling that confidence and that readiness. Let's delve into how first aid certification can make a significant impact. Empowering employees with life-saving skills, building a culture of safety and responsibility, boosting employee confidence and morale, enhancing workplace preparedness for emergencies, strengthening teamwork and a sense of unity. First aid certification empowers your employees to be the first responders when it matters most. It's about knowing that your team is ready to take immediate action in any emergency. First aid certification is not just a course, it's a path to a more confident and empowered workforce. Because in your workplace, empowerment is the key to a safer and more confident future.